Halloween is a time when the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, when familiar spaces take on an eerie edge, and when creativity runs wild in the spirit of all things spooky. Among the many ways to embrace the season, decorating your home, especially with a truly scary theme, is one of the most thrilling and memorable. Scary Halloween decor isn't just about tossing up a few fake spiders and dimming the lights. It's about creating a mood, an immersive atmosphere that unsettles and intrigues at the same time. The most haunting outdoor spaces don't rely on a single element, but on layers of details that unfold as guests move closer. A spooky wreath at the door sets the tone, but it works even better when paired with eerie figures lurking in the yard, strange shapes hanging from trees, and flickering lights along the path. Think of your outdoor space as one big stage. Each prop, light, and sound should contribute to the narrative. Let the story begin at the edge of the property, with faint sound effects or dim, colored lighting drawing the eye. As visitors move forward, introduce unsettling textures they brush past, sticky cobwebs, shredded cloth, or crunchy leaves underfoot, that make them slow down and take notice. By layering small, medium, and large details throughout, from tiny glowing eyes in bushes to towering silhouettes on the porch, you create depth, making your yard feel alive and full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Loved these spooky and spine-chilling decor ideas? Like and share this video with your fellow Halloween lovers. A great scary outdoor setup doesn't treat the pathway, yard, and porch as separate zones. Instead, it weaves them together into one immersive experience. Start by extending decorations outward, so the mood begins before guests even reach the walkway. A crooked gate draped with dark fabric or skeletal hands reaching through the fence signals that they're entering a different world. As they follow the path, let the decor spill naturally into the yard, tombstones leaning toward the walkway, branches that seem to reach out, or lanterns lighting the way just enough to see what lies ahead. Continue this sense of connection up to the door itself, so that when they finally reach the creepy wreath and cobwebbed frame, it feels like the culmination of the journey, not just another prop. By blending elements, hanging decorations crossing over the path, props scattered at different depths in the yard, shadows thrown across both lawn and porch, you make the whole space feel alive and unified. What's your favorite way to scare? Creepy lights, haunted props, or eerie sound effects? Drop your thoughts in the comments. One of the best things about scary outdoor decor is that nature itself is already spooky, and you can amplify it. Bare trees can become looming figures with the right lighting or fabric draped over their branches. Fallen leaves and uneven ground can make footsteps sound louder and more deliberate. The wind can make torn cloth, hanging ghosts, or wreath ribbons flutter unpredictably, adding life to your setup. Instead of fighting the outdoor elements, design with them in mind. Place lightweight items where the breeze can catch them, use fog to mingle with the cool night air, and position lights to create long, shifting shadows on walls, fences, and the ground. Let the natural darkness between props do some of the work. What visitors can't quite see is often more frightening than what they can. For more terrifyingly good Halloween ideas and seasonal decor inspiration, subscribe now and stay tuned for more scares. A truly immersive scary outdoor scene involves more than sight, it engages sound, smell, and touch too. As guests approach, let them hear faint whispers, creaking boards, or distant howls that grow louder as they move closer. Place speakers where bushes, porches, and corners can hide them. Use scents like musty earth or smoke to make the air feel heavier and more unsettling. And don't forget the physical sensations. Brushing past webs or fabric, stepping on crackling gravel, or ducking under hanging shapes makes visitors more aware of their bodies and surroundings. These sensory layers should stretch across the entire outdoor space, from the gate to the door, so the experience feels continuous and inescapable. One of the most effective ways to make your outdoor Halloween decor truly unsettling is to play with perspective, creating surprises, illusions, and unexpected moments as visitors move through your space. Outdoors gives you plenty of room to experiment with scale, angles, and hidden details that catch guests off guard. Think about how your scene looks from different viewpoints. The first glance from the street, the slow walk up the path, and the close-up moments at the door. At a distance, large silhouettes, like towering reapers, crooked scarecrows, or oversized spiders, can dominate the view and draw guests in. As they get closer, let smaller, more intricate details emerge, skeletal hands reaching from beneath the leaves, glowing eyes low to the ground, or ghostly figures half hidden in bushes. Hidden surprises can also heighten the tension, perhaps something that only appears when guests pass a certain spot, like a shadowy figure revealed by lighting, or a motion-activated prop that moves or emits sound. Outdoor Scary Halloween decor is more than just a collection of props. It's about crafting a journey, a story that unfolds with every step your visitors take. From the very first glimpse of your yard at the edge of the street, through the winding pathway, across the eerie lawn, and finally to the waiting doorway, each moment should build anticipation and deepen the sense of unease. When all of these spaces, the yard, the pathway, the porch, and the door, feel connected and intentional, they become something greater than the sum of their parts, a fully immersive experience that lingers in memory. The outdoors already gives you a perfect backdrop for fright, the deep darkness of night, the chill of the autumn air, the sound of wind rattling dry leaves, and strange creaks and rustles that seem to come from nowhere. All you need to do is enhance those natural elements, adding your own eerie touches that make the familiar feel uncanny. A wreath twisted with black vines or draped in cobwebs turns an ordinary door into a forbidding threshold. Pathways lined with flickering lanterns or dotted with strange shadows lead visitors deeper into your story. Yards strewn with crooked tombstones, skeletal hands reaching from the soil, and trees hung with ghostly shapes blur the line between reality and imagination. Porches shrouded in fog and eerie light feel alive with possibility, as though something could leap out at any moment. When every detail, from the smallest glowing eyes peeking out of bushes to the towering silhouettes looming over the path, works in harmony, the effect is powerful. Guests won't just see your decorations, they'll feel them, hear them, even sense them in the cool air. They'll move more slowly, their eyes darting to the shadows, their imaginations filling in what you've only hinted at. That's the beauty of a cohesive outdoor Halloween scene. It draws people in, heightening their senses, making them question what's real and what's just clever design. It becomes more than decor, it becomes an experience, a journey through your haunted vision, where every corner and every sound contributes to the suspense. So take your time to craft it, to connect each part of your outdoor space into a single eerie narrative. Let the wind and darkness work alongside your creativity to bring everything to life. And when your guests finally reach the door, when they stand in front of that blackened wreath and wonder if they truly want to knock, you'll know you've succeeded. Because when every corner of your outdoor space comes together seamlessly, the result isn't just a decorated yard, it's a haunted story they've stepped into. A world that beckons them closer, if they dare.